Even for Halloween, you can be like the sexy spin-off of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. What's up, doll? Let's get right into it. Oh, yeah, so these is, oh, I forgot. I actually wanted to wear this in the video. So this was in a while ago. These are like cute little socks. I forgot. I think it was like probably over 10 years ago. These are really popular. And these are like knee-high socks. And I just thought, I don't know, I was just craving it. I wanted to wear this because it's so comfortable and cozy. And I want to pair it with, you can pair it, and I still have some items on my rack from the fall haul. So if you haven't watched that, please check it out. So you can, you know, lounge around in like a t-shirt. It's really comfortable and cozy, and then you can pair it with some cute little knee-high socks. The other thing, I'm actually a little shy. I don't even know why I'm even showing you guys this. This is kind of silly, but I just wanted to show you the spectrum of different types of sleepwear they do have. And I would say all the pieces at most was like $9. So like I said, it's a great alternative, especially because they do have, you know, lots of sexy types of lingerie stores. And I know it's like the same pieces, but they are like, I don't know, 50 times the price. But this is just a cute little lace underwear. So that's really cute. It's a cheek, I think it's the cheeky cut. I don't know. But so this obviously is a staple piece that you can wear with anything. And like I said, this is kind of silly. I'm getting a little shy, which is weird because obviously I'm not the shy type. Well, actually I am. Well, actually I'm not. Well, I don't really know. Depends on the day. Okay, and then so I thought they were really, I thought they were so cute, and they just go with everything. So I always like to wear pretty much like blacks as far as like underwear goes, because it's timeless, and I just like black's one of my favorite colors. So I know I got a few of them because they were only like $3. So again, super affordable. This one here is a little bit different in that it's still lace, but it has like, it doesn't have like this type of I don't know how you would say, this type of like or cut type of lace trim. This one here is just a nice seam. It has a nice seam, and then the back or whatever, it has like a cute little, is it a butt bow? I don't even know what this is. Okay, so that's that. I got a few of them. So this is actually pretty much the same thing. So again, some more of these, because like I said, you can never have enough underwears, but very, very perfect for all seasons. Okay, yeah, so I got quite a few of these ones. So yeah, I really like it. It goes with any top. So you never have to like worry, you know, when you're like washing clothes and then you end up just washing the top and you don't know where the bottom is. Well, these types of bottoms can go with any top. So very practical, very cute, and you can dress up any little sleepwear top that you have, or even under a slip dress like this. Oh my gosh, why are all the provocative things coming? But it's okay. So this one here, this one, I don't really like the color. It was like a neon color, and I thought it was really unique and fun, but this one is more like a dull mustard yellow. So I don't even know if I, like I said, like it, but we will see. But I figured maybe you can have one color. You know me and my black and white with a pop of color. So let's see how this one looks. Oh wow, so this is actually dress up. So this is actually pretty fun because these are like cute little Madonna gloves, and you can actually, you don't even have to wear this like when you're sleeping or anything like that. You can actually just have Madonna gloves with some denim, a little crop top, a little rouge crop top. But yeah, so that's so cute. I've never had these types of little sleeves. These are fun. Let me see. Put that on. Very 80s, you know? Oh, if I can even get it on my sleeve, up my shoulder. Let's see, let's see, let's see. How does this work? Is that for a hole for your... What's going on? Okay, like I'm not really sure what's going on here. Like what is this? What is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be something? Oh, is this? Oh my gosh. This is a puzzle. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. Oh my gosh, and my ring is completely gonna rip this lace here. Okay. And my finger can't even get through the hole. So this is like a fail. I think it's like they forgot to cut it, so I'd have to actually cut it. I don't know if y'all can get the idea, but even for a Halloween or something, you know, you can be like the sexy spin-off of Belle from Beauty and the Beast if you want. You can be creative and okay, there we go. There we go. Like a virgin. Ooh. Yeah, so I don't know. This is really different. I think it's just really pretty. I don't know. I love lace. I love everything, actually. Mostly anything. Mostly everything. I don't really like bright colors. That's one thing I don't really like. And why this is super different. Okay, and then this is cute. It's a high-waisted underwear, which I actually love. So we love the high-waisted items. We love high-waisted with our shorts or skirts, our bottoms. So that's really cute. Oh, this is actually more cute than anything. I think the neon would have made it more sexy, but this makes this kind of like, oh, this is so cute. Look. Okay. So this one is something like so cute. You can totally just sport this, and you can just wear a t-shirt, a cut t-shirt over it, but it's also very comfortable. It's kind of cheapy though, because it has these plastic buttons. So I mean, you probably could get a couple of uses out of these, you know, but it was so cheap, super, super cheap. I think this is like the cheapest outfit. That's probably why I was like, yeah, why not? And it's different. I think it was like $3 to $4 or something, and they also had different colors. So yeah, and like this is really me. I have like a black set like this, but I just love this color. Ooh, isn't this so rich and fall? I mean, oh, this is my favorite. I love it. I love it. I love it. So it's really stretchy. It comes with a cute little black bow, and it has a nice cute little black lace trimming, so very pretty. And then the top, they actually had so many different like colors that you can choose from and styles, even with the tops. And then look at this. This is so pretty. Look at that. Is this plastic too? It is metal or plastic. Oh, this one, I believe, this one is, I don't know if it's plastic or not, but so you have to be gentle. But oh, this is really cute. And oh my gosh, this is really adorable. Really, really adorable. And very comfortable and light. I don't like any wire stuff. I just want to breathe, be really comfortable. So this is completely up my alley. Okay, so that's really cute. What do we have here? Okay, so these are really fun. So of course, you know, they also have these types of net stockings. So I think it's really cute, and it's even cute not just to wear to sleep, but you can actually wear this like streetwear. So if you have denim, well, let me open it up first. So if you have like cut denim jeans, which I am a fan of, and you have holes in your denim jeans, and then you can have some of this poke through a little bit, so it kind of gives like the rocker chic, but you can dress it up by wearing like a, you know, YSL t-shirt, right? And then you have some, you know, denim jeans with holes in them. And then of course you have these fishnet stockings that are gonna pop right out. So totally, look at this. And these are gonna go up the waist, I believe. I don't think I would have gotten them. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. So this one here actually has cute little lace trimming around. So it's thigh high and it's like netted. So cute. I know a lot of like the Harajuku girls or the ones in Japan, the Gyaru girls, they of course would wear these stockings out in public with some cut denim jeans or even some shorts and some high little clunker heels. And that's totally cute. This is a complete Harajuku or Gyaru girl style. I am not going to do that, but well, maybe at home I could play dress up because that's what I actually do anyway. So these are so cute. So far, I'm liking all the items. You know, they seem like, as far as quality goes, I would say just decent as any other lingerie store for sure. I don't know if it could match Victoria's Secrets though. Obviously, Victoria's Secrets, you know, their bras last forever, and I love Victoria's Secret underwear. So that's like my foundational like items when it comes to like bras and underwear. I will always love Victoria's Secret. This is just more like fashion and fun to change it up a little bit and to experiment. And these are super cute. So these, I don't, like I told you, I was really feeling the whole like sock vibe thing, especially with t-shirts and stuff. So if I have these cute little socks, so these ones are so cute. This is so Gyaru girl. So you can actually wear these out for sure with a denim skirt, a short denim skirt, even some short denim shorts. Not Daisy Dukes shorts or ripped jean shorts, but cuff shorts. And that would make it a lot more of the Gyaru fashion style. And these you can just wear around the house when it gets a little bit cold. I live in Hawaii, so it doesn't snow, or in fact, even though it's fall, it's quite humid and hot, but these I can do. These for sure. Okay, I'm really happy. I feel so excited because these are such different item pieces that I did not have. And so I think it's just really fun because I haven't had like I haven't shopped for new lingerie in like years. So I just think that, oh, this is really exciting for me. And so this one's really pretty. This is like so typical cliche because it's red, of course. And it's cute because, you know, for the holiday season, it is coming up. It's a little early, but look at this beautiful piece. Oh, whoa, whoa. And this one here is so different in that, yep, though it's got the typical red, we know the lace, okay, we get it. And then it has the red bow, okay, ho, ho, ho. But this one here has, it's cut. So it's really fairy-like, actually. It's very fairy. So I thought it was just one slit when I was looking at the pictures, but this one here, actually, it slits all around. So really cute, really fun. And as far as the underwear goes, it does come with an underwear, but because I have no butt or anything, like these thongs never work for me. They're just hideous. So yeah, but it does come with one if you're thinking about ordering one for yourself. So yep. Yeah, this is different. Oh, and I like it. I bet it's going to shape the body even better because obviously it just is going to move with your body, you know? Yeah. Okay, and then we have another piece, and this again, so cute because it's kind of like the Victoria's Secret knockoff because it's got pink and black, and I love like the pink and black with, look how cute this is, like a little dolly. I will so be wearing these, absolutely. And remember how I told you can choose different tops? Well, I can never go wrong with black, so never. So this one comes with a regular spaghetti strap. It's like satin. It's got some lace here, so you can match it with this. You can wear it with, you know, you can wear it with this pant. You can mix and match, so it's fun to have a little collection. They have like 10 or more different options and styles, so oh, I'm so happy. Great, great, great. And they're so affordable. I just can't get over it. It's like I got all of this than what she would spend for like a really pretty burlesque set at Victoria's Secret. Just one set. And I got all of these items. And these are probably more underwears. Okay. Oh, so this one's really cute because this one here, it's not cute actually, it's more sexy. Sorry, I thought that was a bow. But this one here has, it's like strappy on the side, so It's a little bit more sexier. So it's got like the little straps, like that. And it's like sheer, a little bit sheer. So this will go good with the red. Yeah, this will go good probably. I would trade this out and wear this with the red. The red slip. So these are really comfortable. Got another pair of socks. Oh, cute this is. And then of course I got some more little fun socks, some knee-high socks. So these are so cozy. Look how cute these are. Honestly, I love it. I really actually want to bring back these like stockings. I just want to bring it back and I want to see people like wearing them out. I would totally sport these, even with some cute little tennis shoes and some cuff little shorts and just a regular baby tee or like a shirt, you know? And it would be so cute. So cute. Or even some strappy heels. Like some cute little like dolly heels like this with these cute little socks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's that. And then the last, second to the last item, is it? Okay, and this one. Oh, now this is you thinking that you are, I can't think of it. Honey, Mrs. Robinson, what's her name? Mrs. Robinson from that movie, the classic, is it The Graduate?
Yes.
The Graduate? Okay, great. Yes. So this is so Mrs. Robinson from The Graduate. Like what you would do is you would just wear these nice little, what are these? What are these? Oh yeah, these are socks, so they would kind of come down. Okay. And they're so like old fashioned. They're like the typical nylon stockings. And then you have like the old school, the classic little, I don't even know the names of these things, but garter. This is the garter belt. You wear the garter belt. And then the garter belt will get the socks. And then we already have the black underwear. And what I've been waiting for is this. I wasn't sure if it was a hoax or not because it was so affordable. And I was like, is this a joke? Well, we're gonna find out because, so I don't know if you guys can picture this, but you have the stockings on, you have the garter belt, you have your favorite underwear, and then this, my dolls, is where it's supposed to be at. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, this is not me at all, but this is such a cute closet eye candy, but I don't know if this is actually like, if they're serious about it, because it was so cheap and the way they had it hung. Oh my goodness, this is so old. I don't know, is it 1920s or something? You know what, you guys can't even see this. This is funny. I have to just try this on. I can probably get someone to take a... Honey?
Yes?
Can you do me a favor and can you see if we can try this on? I have to see if this is for real. Because, oh, I gotta wear my heels. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I told you guys I would not try these things on, but this is like, this bow. Honey, I don't think you can see the whole thing, what you want to wear underneath it, but basically, yeah, so that's that. And it even has like cute little, like, obviously it's not the most expensively made, but it's just still so much fun to have in your closet to play dress up in. It's fall. Happy fall, y'all. Thank you so much, all of you, for subscribing, for watching my videos. I just love you so much. And of course, we will continue to do the giveaways for October. It is fall, y'all.